One of the best features of the ribbon is that basically any command that you find on the ribbon can be turned into a shortcut by using the Alt key and then other keys that appear after it. So hit the Alt button and you'll notice underneath the tab names that letters have appeared. H for home, N for insert, P for page layout, etc. If we press H for home, for example, more letters appear that you can press and select additional commands. So let's say we wanted to add a border, we'll hit B, and then let's pick the thick outside border, T, and now the cell that we had has a thick border on the outside. So if you use something frequently on the ribbon, you can hit that Alt button and follow the commands to create a shortcut to that feature. At first, it may not sound like a shortcut to press 4 buttons in a row, but I promise you, if you use it a lot, it will become a lot faster over time. Right now, I can hit Alt-HVV faster than any other shortcut that I can do. Alt-HVV, by the way, if you copy something, Alt-HVV is a paste values. Obviously, I'm not pasting anything here, but I paste values a lot in the work that I do, and Alt-HVV is a shortcut that I use all the time. So figure out which options you use a lot and try the shortcut with the Alt button.